How to record Messenger video calls on iPhone with audio. Now, this actual process is very easy. And take note that Apple has included a built-in screen recording feature that works well for recording video calls, including those on Messenger. However, the audio recording depends on the settings you choose. So this is actually set to default that audio is not included. To change that, go into your iPhone settings, and then on the search tab, just simply type in recording and choose on stereo recording. And from here, what you have to do is just to simply look for the Messenger application right there and make sure that microphone feature is enabled and turned on. Now what you want to do next is just to access your streaming device or your streaming feature, usually left side portion or depending on where you placed it. And that's it. That's how you record Messenger video calls on iPhone with audio.